Today I'm going to remove the front wheel of my Super LT 1554 Cub Cadet lawn tractor. It's got a slow leak on it. I suspect that it's got a inside bead is leaking. I had slime in it probably over 10 years ago. I suspect that it's gelled or dried out or something, and the bead needs to be cleaned on the inside. Maybe it's rusted, or the tire is dirty on the inside, or it needs to be cleaned and slime put in it again. I'm going to remove the wheel. Just aired up the tire, cleaned up the wheel. Gonna water tank it, see if I can figure out where it's leaking. So I probably could have spit on it and determined it was leaking out of the valve stem, but it's coming out of beside the metal on the threads on the valve stem, not out of the valve stem core. Usually you can spit on it and determine that the valve stem's leaking, at least out of the core. So I'm going to have to replace that valve stem. Okay, I'm back at the tractor. I water tanked it, determined the valve stem core was leaking. I replaced the valve stem core. This is an automotive valve stem, and I didn't know that they were the same size. Thank goodness there's a universal size. So that is an automotive valve stem core that I replaced it with. So for reference in the future, I cleaned it up and broke this inside bead. I cleaned out the wheel. The wheel had slime on it, and this inside bead had slime on it. So I cleaned that all up, replaced that core, and now it's ready to go back on the tractor. I'll time lapse this for you. reinstall the center cap and just a little bit of grease. That concludes the video. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up.